What's up guys, it's Carrie, and today I want to talk about breathing through your nose and how to maximize that effort. Let's get started. What's up guys, it's Carrie with oralhealthcoaching.com and carrieibitson.com. For those of you who don't know who I am, I'm a dental hygienist by trade, an oral health coach by passion, and I make online videos that help you get better results with your mouth or a mouth that you care for. Today I want to talk about nose breathing. I talk a lot about different products and things that can help you with nose breathing. I talk about the importance of it, but today I want to talk to you about a product that I found. It's called Mute, and it's a little device that you put into your nose. You can use it during the day, during night. There's a ton of times that you can use it. They even have ones for performance as well. And my son is loving wearing it at school, especially when he has tests and he's concerned and he gets nervous. We talk a lot about nose breathing during testing time, and it has just been a game changer for him. So I want to show you how easy these are. They have little adjustable loops. I tend not to adjust them. If you get the trial pack, it's gonna come with a small, medium, and large. And while the small fits me because I don't have really big nostrils, it's the length on the medium that I really enjoy. So if you try the small and you feel like it might open you up, but not really, you're not feeling that rush of air into your brain and it feels amazing, definitely try the medium or the large and see how those feel. I want you to see how easy it is to put in, but first I want to show you what happens when I take a deep breath through my nose, and you're going to see this tissue collapse in. So it makes it really difficult to get a breath through my nose if I'm not focusing on nose breathing techniques. Right? It's not easy, and I still don't feel super restored. So I'm going to put these little guys in, and I'm just gonna push it back. And now watch. It is a game changer to get these things in your nose and feel like you can effortlessly breathe through your nose and really get that rush of good oxygen into your brain, pick up that nitric oxide, do all the things that your body's meant to do by getting nice, easy breaths through your nose where it belongs. So try the Mutes and let me know what you think when you try them. If the Mute doesn't work for you, look for other nasal dilators and find one that's comfortable and convenient for you to use. Hope that's helpful for you. If you've got questions, I've got answers. Leave them in the comment section below. Let me know what I can do for you. And until next time, thanks for being here, and we'll see you soon. Bye.